wait, stand still.
What's up?
Bye. That's right.
Hey, yo, guys, guess what, boys?
They cook Dubai chocolate labubu.
Why are my friends so fly?
Yo, that's not shut up. Come down there. Labubu. Oh, you hanging?
Yo, who's doing that? That's annoying.
Whoever's
Labubu chocolate.
Come quick, run. Oh my
Stop doing that one.
Bro, that's not me. What do you
Oh, there you.
There was one goal.
You missed. Red watch.
Yeah, guys, red watch.
What the freak?
You should have. Guys, don't see me. He's dying. My PR's in my full face, bro.
But I killed him. I killed the skelly.
Shoulder good junk.
Mr. Futera. They're coming, you pussy!
Bro, honey.
Get us through your... Bro, stop coming in your mom.
Guys, if we're doing cooking.
Yeah, what I just hear was the RPG.
That's cool.
I can play with
That's one that actually hit too.
Start laughing a little bit. Nah, bro.
There's a war at stake.
Dubai Labubu chocolate.
What do you mean the war?
Dubai chocolate.
I'll be right back.
Guys.
Rainbow.
Labubu Dubai chocolate.
Bro, it's not the stage. It's not the war going.
Labubu.
Bro, one night.
Labubu.
What? Oh, hi, dude.
Perfect treat. Dubai chocolate.
What the? Erica. Oh.
Dubai chocolate Labubu.
Dubai chocolate? I just died an off way.
Dubai chocolate. Literally Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate. Labubu.
Oh my god.
Hey, Green! Green! Green!
Labubu.
I said you want a team. Nah. But you said don't kill me.
Labubu.
fire
how
on.
else?
I eat broccoli. Yo, bro, I'm big on. I'm big on. I'm big on.
Dude, what are you supposed to do? How you really rebuild?
Yeah. Eat this. Someone eat it.
That's like
Where's my friend? I want a friend. It's very big. Eat it.
Sure, there's
Put it out your mouth.
You're big now.
Something's not right. Let's check here. Tabby, no. Tabby. Nothing.
Yeah.
Chocolate labo. Dubai chocolate labo.
What a video. Right. Red sauce, God. Little bro.
No.
Yo.
That's a perfect.
Dubai chocolate.
Take out that stick. Take out that stick. I can give you some tail down here if you want. It can break. It can break. My haircut.
Oh, you can go play with my mini PS5. Yeah,
It's just like putting.
they can teach you in the screen.
Bro's back is destroyed.
Yo, guys.
Where's my body?
Yo, blue.
We ate it. It's like Dubai
wait.
chocolate.
Where's my body?
Yo, blue. Are you the
Is there
only one?
anybody in office that is doing a walk?
Open this.
I am alone.
Let's see. Dubai chocolate.
Agree to me.
Yo, bro, can you use settings? I can use this settings.
Getting big.
Can you
Yes.
Getting big.
Yo.
This
Okay.
is the one that makes you big.
I brushed my teeth.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Hey, it's good.
Hey!
Bro, you look like an alien and you sound like a fucking Mexican kid.
And you sound like a 10,000-pound dude. What if I say you have a full shit head and even the toilet is jealous? Yes. I am online. Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate.
But what do I do?
Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate.
Give me my stuff. Give me one. No, I need a weapon. I need a weapon. The same weapon.
Let's keep.
Oh my goodness!
Here you go.
somebody
Here's
buy
your
me some
weapon.
I'm big as heck.
Thank you.
Somebody buy
My life is
Good way to die. There's a wall coming out.
Everybody don't mess with me.
Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate.
Like the broccoli thing. Like the broccoli.
I'm gonna take all the iron. I'm eating broccoli.
Hey, Dubai chocolate.
Can you give me revolver and
Dubai chocolate. Amar, wait, look. Amar, don't respawn.
Over, right? If you don't bother me. I don't know what to buy chocolate.
You did!
Amar, wait, don't respawn. Amar, don't respawn. Amar, once you're a ghost, don't respawn.
Wait,
What was doing
oh,
this?
I see what it's talking about. Cookies, I done it.
What's up? No, green, get it.
I'm gonna money.
I'm reporting you for making the server bright.
It was a
I'm
joke.
gonna see what's
No
happening
joke.
out there. So.
Bruh.
La boo boo giveaway.
What do you mean, Abud? I
I
have
do want black.
added.
Everybody report the Squid Game, dude.
It's a glitch.
What did I do? I did nothing.
Report him for greasing. Report him for greasing.
2-6,
What did I? Okay, mate.
4-4.
Hey, yeah!
What the crap?
The fan of the...
Join, Nova. You join? Join.
Bye-bye.
Frontman left. Our new enemy.
Yo,
Okay, I'm good.
Nice shot. Knockout.
Okay, which one, guys?
That's it.
You kill.
Well, can you give me revolver ammo?
I don't got them unlocked.
Yo, someone, come here. Someone give me a gun.
Here.
Someone give me a con. I need more. I need to take.
Hello.
Here, Mar, can I see this?
Wait, listen to me. Ow.
Yeah, great thing.
The white chocolate.
Great thing. I'm reporting. You give. What's a bite chocolate?
The white chocolate.
Me a flashlight. Dang, is that body wet? Is that body wet? Report. For great thing.
The white chocolate. The white chocolate.
He deserves it.
Oh. Oh my god, Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate. Amar, where are you?
I'm at the office.
Amar, look at me. Amar,
Yeah.
where are you?
Hey, bro.
Here.
Where are you?
I can get...
Amar, look at me. Amar, look at me. Amar, I'm a ghost.
Wait.
Amar, Amar. Look at me, look at me. Waka, hey, hey.
I can
Amar,
give you something better.
Amar,
Yes.
Amar, look at me, look at me. Amar, look at me, look at me. Amar, look at me. Amar, look at me. Amar, look at me. Amar, here, Amar, look at me, look.
You why nobody? Can you buy me a revolver?
Don't buy your shit.
I really have money. I don't really have money.
Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate. Ola, Lola. Oh my god.
Dubai chocolate.
Dubai chocolate.
Are you ready?
Water, don't kill me. Only
This is good.
If you
I can
join
give you something
me,
better what I'm telling you.
I
Green, above you. Second.
Can anybody buy me a revolver?
I can beat them up.
Oh, there it is. Don't kill me. It's
Keep
not only the people who killed us.
Dubai chocolate.
Oh.
Oh, we bought him. He said that for bullying. Take that.
Guys, everyone should download Bonus. Buy chocolate.
Dubai chocolate. Melon.
This cannot break. I wanna have it. I wanna have it. I wanna have it. I wanna. No. This guy.
All Dubai chocolate family is gone.
Big ball. Roger, oh shit,
Sticky. Dubai chocolate.
Dung 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 dung. Oh, da 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 da. Din din din.
Parang tingin doon. Orko lelo. Orko lang. Spinanero. Orko lelo.
Bombardiro. Got the choky chocolate.
Not dead. That was that.
Wait,
Jump rope.
Wait, let me take a picture of his butt. No, he revived.
Yes, we got a free stick. Oh, anyways, one book clutch.
That's not the thing you need. You need to
see my body. I want to see.
I buy another revolver.
I have a pink shirt. I've been digging on
Hey, bro.
Bro, these enemies
Don't kill me.
are so annoying.
We're trying to kill green.
Dubai chocolate.
Wait, don't explode yet. Where does even my revolver go?
Ludum. Oh, there's a revolver.
Oh, my babies.
Papa, somebody left me.
That's green, not this can break.
I say Dubai chocolate.
And you're down.
Yo, has anybody in this entire lobby has anybody Job, Savoy. Oh, yeah, it is a job. Job, Mom.
I'm here, let's it now.
Job, Savoy.
We're not gonna fight in the forest. We're not gonna fight in the office. We're gonna fight in the mountains. Come on.
Mountains.
Okay. I mean, steal a character. There, I got you. There, I'm gonna tickle them. There, I thought you're
Dubai chocolate. Oi.
You're gonna be adding Sahora. No, he's gonna add Job, Savoy.
There's a boom spear out there.
You need a job. Go take a shower.
I'm gonna go get him.
Bro, give that back.
I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, mister. How about you turn down your volume on your little...
Why didn't you win, mommy?
How about you look extra spicy just like my buffalo cheek cone?
Go take a shower.
Habud,
Why did you keep buying
Habud, you look so spicy. You look like my spicy buffalo. Dubai chocolate. Habud, look, Dubai chocolate.
You're big ass.
Dubai chocolate.
Hey, pretty little Anne. Don't shoot. Okay.
Shoot me.